2 pounds cooked ground beef. Now I've got a jar of Rao's roasted garlic. You can use Monera or whatever kind you like. Perfect. Now I've got a 14.5 ounce can of low sodium chicken broth that I'm just adding right in there. We're coming in with our minced garlic, just because we love garlic, healthy for the heart, keeps the vampires away. I'm just adding in about a tablespoon. Some onion powder. This is already smelling amazing. Italian seasoning. Beautiful. Some crushed red pepper for some spicy, but you can always leave it out. Little bit of black pepper, just a pinch, and a little bit of coarse sea salt. All right, we are well on our way. I'm gonna give this a stir to incorporate all of these beautiful seasonings, taste all together. Our Monera, along with our 2 pounds cooked ground beef and our chicken broth. Alrighty, I'm just putting my lid on. I'm gonna let this crock pot go for 6 to 8 hours on low. Alrighty, y'all, this has been on low for 6.5 hours. But I mean, you can do it anywhere from 6 to 8. Now I've got my lasagna noodles here. I'm gonna start breaking these up, putting these little pieces right on in there. I'm gonna see if maybe I'm gonna use this whole box here. We will figure it out. I won't make y'all watch me break every single noodle. Or will I? Oh my gosh, you guys. All right, I've been stirring this as I put them in because I had a whole box. I'm like, oh, I feel like I should put the whole box in because, you know, what am I gonna do with this partial box of lasagna noodles if I only got half of one box left? And you know what? While I was stirring it, I splattered it on myself. And then Marty told me, careful, you're getting it on your shirt. And it was just like a little bit up here. And then you know what? You know what happened? That happened. You know, I like to live life in the fast lane. We're gonna put our lid back on here and let these noodles cook on high for 30 minutes. Alrighty, our noodles have cooked. Look at this, they are all nice and noodly. Perfect. Now, of course, we're gonna need some ricotta. And I'm just gonna start putting my little ricotta balls in here. Marty was just saying he's not a ricotta person, and I thought that was extremely strange because I absolutely love ricotta. Okay, this was a 15-ounce container. I used about half of that. And actually, I'm gonna put the lid back on, just let this ricotta kind of melt down for a couple of minutes. All right, we're gonna go ahead and give it a stir. It's been heating in here with our stuff. Look at that, it's just melting in. Super, super creamy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, so when I originally conceptualized this recipe, it was supposed to be a lasagna noodle soup. We've lost a lot of moisture here, but I do feel like it's gonna be a really delicious kind of deconstructed lasagna. Yum. Here's what we do. Grab a heaping bowl full. You can put a little more mozzarella on here if you would like. But for right now, I am gonna just go for it as is because I love ricotta. Oh my gosh, it's delicious. It's so much easier than making a regular lasagna. Y'all, you gotta try it.